faulty Brother printer, a 9020. Keeps leaving lines all over the page after it's printed. Keeps giving me a warning message to replace the drum, this, and the fuser, this here. Sure, what could be wrong with it? Open her up first, see what's wrong. I wonder what the problem could be. It's all the old ink. Lovely. I know what we can do with that. I wonder why she's not printing right. And of course Brother says just replace the part every time. Some amount of it. This hasn't been cleaned, changed or replaced in years. This catches all the excess ink powder that drops off and stores it on here. The cage has a flat end on it and locates into this gear. I'll just stick it on there, give it a wee twist, she pops under the gear, just sits there then, and that's it. Instead of replacing, just clean it out. So if your Brother printer keeps giving you lines up the centre of your page, making it dirty, just give that part there a good wash out. Or a good clean. That's it. Ready to go again. This here drum is just a glorified conveyor belt. Takes the excess dust. And this here is basically just the bin for storing the old spent toner ink. That should be them ready to go again. So instead of replacing, you can empty this fuser and just wipe down this drum. And the printer is also telling me that the toner is nearly empty when it's actually not. So we'll actually just reset the toners as well so it thinks they're full. You can reset these 3 times before they're actually empty. .53,000 pages. She's doing well.